Change of subject of the formula. Equations without square root. The first case, addition and subtraction form without fraction. Examples. Given that y equals to x plus 8, make x the subject of the formula. Solution. Now we have y equals to x plus 8. We want to make x the subject. For us to make x the subject of the formula, we are going to ensure that x remain at the right hand side now. Because we have plus 8 here, so this plus 8 that is here at the right hand, we are going to move that plus 8 to another side. In this case, we can move plus 8 to the left hand side. It will become what? Minus 8. So we have y minus 8 equals to what? Equals to x. So from here, it means that x equals to y minus what? Minus 8. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.